Buying a home in the United States is a major financial decision and a complex process that requires careful planning, patience, and smart decision-making. Whether you're a first-time buyer or moving into a new home, understanding how to shop for a home and navigate the process can help you avoid costly mistakes and make the experience more successful and less stressful. Start by reviewing your finances to determine how much home you can afford. Consider your income, savings, debts, and monthly expenses. Most experts recommend spending no more than 28–30% of your gross monthly income on housing costs, including mortgage, property taxes, insurance, and HOA fees. Once you have a budget, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This involves a lender reviewing your credit score, income, and debt to determine how much they're willing to lend. A pre-approval strengthens your position when making an offer and shows sellers you're a serious buyer. Don't skip the pre-approval step or assume you can afford more than you realistically can. Don't make large purchases or open new credit accounts during the mortgage process. A knowledgeable real estate agent can be your best ally. They understand the market, can help you find listings, arrange showings, negotiate offers, and guide you through paperwork. Look for an agent who is experienced in the area you're targeting, responsive, and willing to listen to your needs and concerns. Don't use the seller's agent as your only guide. They represent the seller, not your best interests. Make a list of your must-haves like number of bedrooms, location, school district versus nice-to-haves like a pool or finished basement. This helps focus your search and prevents you from falling in love with a home that doesn't truly meet your needs. Before making an offer, research the neighborhood. Look at local crime rates, school ratings, commute times, and future development plans. Visit at different times of day to get a feel for the area. Don't rely only on online listings or photos. Always visit homes in person when possible. Don't overlook additional costs like taxes, HOA fees, maintenance, and utilities. Once you find a home you like, work with your agent to make a competitive offer based on comparable sales in the area. Always include contingencies, such as a home inspection and financing approval, to protect yourself. Hire a professional home inspector to identify potential issues like roof damage, plumbing problems, or foundation cracks. Use this information to renegotiate or walk away if necessary. Don't skip the inspection to speed up the process or compete with other buyers. Don't overpay just to win a bidding war. Stay within your budget. Buying a home is a big step, but with the right approach and mindset, it can be a rewarding one. Do your homework, trust your instincts, and be prepared to walk away if something doesn't feel right. Avoid rushing the process and focus on finding a home that truly fits your needs and lifestyle.